Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your computer background picture, right? So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. So now on my computer, as you can see, I have this background picture right here. So let's say I want to change that. So what you can do is just come to your task, open up your start menu, your start bar, and then just click on setting. Right, click on setting there, and then this should be opening up. So now I want you to come here to personalization. Right, click on that, and then once you click on that, it should be opening up. So now you have this, make sure you are on background, click on background, there you are on background. So now the background here, you want to set it as a picture. So if you choose this, you can use a solid color or a slideshow. So you want to use a picture, make sure you set it on picture, and then now come to browser here. You can browse through your computer to choose the picture that you want. So just click on there, right, and then this should be opening up. So now you can go through your computer to search for the picture that you want to use. So let's just say, just go find it in here, right? So let's say I want to use this picture, right? And then now select the picture and then choose picture, right? So now as you can see, it's been set there. So now you can see, if you check in, you will see it's set there, right? So now let's say maybe you wanted to change the size. You can choose a fit, you can fit it on the screen, and then you can maybe use tiles. So if you use tiles and then go back to there, that's where you will see it's like that, right? It's not really fitting, right? And then once you set, you can maybe use fit screen, right? You can use that, and then once you go back, you'll see you got it right there. So you want to make sure you set it on fill so that it can fill the whole screen, right? And then once you set it out there, you got it right there. So that's how you change your computer background picture, right? So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. But with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.